inspirational din talaga yung journey niya. Like, kita ko nung first year niya sa Ateneo, medyo payat-payat pa siya, pero after sitting out for a year and coming back, grabe na yung in-improve niya, grabe na yung difference in terms of his, his body. And, in practice, grabe, like, even if I'm a big man, di ko siya mausog. Like, sobrang talaga nun. As a rookie that year, it was like, parang, it's like, wow, these guys are at a different level. So, yun, motivation siya na I'm a long way to go during that time. Solid teammate, kumpait din. Yun, great guy.